May I now invite Honourable Mr. Justice N. Anand Venkatesh to deliver his Lordship's address.
எல்லோருக்கும் என்னுடைய மாலை வணக்கம். This is a brilliant idea. Reason is, எப்போ பார்த்தாலும் இந்த law, இந்த case law, judgment, provision of law, செம்ம போர். Meaning, life will become so boring if you continuously keep on doing this. So, it is such a good idea to come out of that mold and also have a discussion between the bar and bench on other interesting things in life. That's a very, very good initiative by bringing out this thing, because from the next time, that is why I encouraged him to ask me some questions. And I went into those areas of interest. அண்டு என்னுடைய ஃபுல்லாக படிச்சிங்கனாக்கா லா ரொம்ப கம்மியாக இருக்கும், ரொம்ப மினிமமாக இருக்கும். அண்டு அக்கார்டிங் டு மீ, ஹோல்டிங் த பொசிஷன் ஆஃப் எ ஜட்ஜ் இஸ் சச் அ ஸ்மால் பீரியட் இன் யுவர் என்டையர் லைஃப். நம்ம அதை தலையில் வச்சுக்கிட்டு ஆடிட்டே இருந்தோம்னாக்கா எனக்கும் போர் அடிச்சிடும், மற்றவங்களுக்கும் போர் அடிச்சிடும். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ், வி நோ when it is going to come to an end, and thereafter there is a very big life waiting for us. So why unnecessarily get confused into all these things? I encouraged him to ask me some questions on, because of my interest in too many things, music, in fact ஒரு question அவர் கேட்டார், நீங்கள் ஜட்ஜாக இருக்கலன்னா என்ன பண்ணியிருப்பீங்கன்னு கேட்டார். The answer which I gave, he was not able to ask the next question. I said I would have become a gym trainer. He thought I would have become a senior at ஏதோ நான் சொல்லுவேன் நினச்சார் அவர். நான் சொன்னேன் I would have become a physical trainer, gym trainer ஆயிருப்பேன்னு. He thought it was a joke. Actually it was not a joke at all. I have been hitting the gym for the last 30 years. ஆனால் எனக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும் ஏதுன்னு எனக்கு நல்லா தெரியும். ஆனால் எதில் நம்ம தரவாக இருக்கோமோ அந்த வேலையை பண்ணிட்டு போவோம்ல, ஹாப்பியாக பண்ணலாம். அண்டு ஸோ these are things which makes life interesting. At the end of the day, these are the small things which we carry as a memory. And towards the end of our life, நம்ம எழுதின மிகப்பெரிய ஜட்ஜ்மெண்ட்டோ ரொம்ப புலமை வாய்ந்த அப்படியே லிட்டரரியாக அதுக்குள்ளே இருக்கிற விஷயம் அதெல்லாம் நம்மளுக்கு ஞாபகமே இருக்காது. Those wonderful things, those wonderful experience which we carry in our life is the one which will come along with us. Unfortunately, we are in a very grim situation today. In the sense that two lunatics who wanted to propagate themselves in this world have created such a situation in this world, and one person out of that does not know what he is going to say next, and it all depends on which side of the bed he will get up and make statements. So the whole scenario in this world is in a very grim state. We don't know where it is moving, how it is going to come and hit, and in spite of all this, we are living in a country which does not have any ambitions to capture anybody else. We must be very, very proud to live in a country like that. We don't have aspirations to capture this and that, to take over oil fields and all that. We have no such aspirations. We take care of ourselves. We also try to help others. So therefore, we live in a country which has such a beautiful culture behind it, and we must all be proud to be in a country like this. But unfortunately, we are being pushed to a stage where ultimately, because of all those unwanted wars that are happening, it's again that last man who is going to get hit. He is the one who is going to sort of be affected because of the consequences of what is going to happen because of this unnecessary war that is happening. The reason why I am saying this is that I only hope that all countries come together and at some stage tell that superpower that don't do this. There is no use in countries just keeping mum without questioning as to what is happening. This is not something which is confined to 2 or 3 countries. This is going to have a global impact on all countries and all people who are living in those countries. And for the others to really keep quiet. The reason why I am saying here is that advocates are the most vibrant. So therefore, if I say something here, probably it will trigger somewhere. And some stage, howsoever big you are, if you make a mistake, you have to be questioned and told that you are making a mistake. Don't do this. If everybody keeps quiet, nobody takes any stand on anything, the problem is that the person doing it will think that there is nobody to question. So probably many countries may not be equivalent to that superpower. But then if 20 countries come together and say this, it will have an impact. So I thought that this is something which has been troubling me for the last 10-15 days. Yeah, we are taken care, no problem. Our routine is going on. Everything is fine. But then the impact which this is going to create for all the countries in this world is something which definitely troubles me on a daily basis. So this occasion where you have called me for a legal literary journal inauguration, I thought I should say this to you. And at some time, people must be made aware that whatever you do, it's not as if nobody will question you for anything. Everybody must be questioned, including a judge. Everybody is liable to answer if he or she commits a mistake. So this is something which was going in my mind for some time. Seri, in the occasion la nama idha sollalaanu naan paathen. Probably na edho jolly pesuven nanchingalla. I don't want to act here. I don't want to really act here. This is, I don't know how far it is impacting you. It is impacting me on a daily basis with the type of statements, the manner in which the heads of states are being addressed, the way in which the threat is being exerted. The entire world is in a sort of dilemma as to what should be done in a situation like this. I only hope that everything gets back to normal and I get another occasion to talk happily with you. Thank you.
Thank you, my lords.